The Lawson Boating Heritage Center in Chautauqua Lake, known to the public as simply the Lawson Center, came into existence in September 2010 when David S. Lawson Jr. donated the property for the purpose of creating a boat museum that would serve as a major area visitors destination. At that time, the Lawson family had owned and operated the property as a boat business since 1918. Our mission is to celebrate boating history on Chautauqua Lake, to preserve the Lawson family's legacy, and share Chautauqua Lake's regional history. The Lawson Center is a family destination where you can browse 3 floors of our collection of antique and classic boats and experience much about Chautauqua Lake regional history. Our adult lecture series, covering a wide range of such topics, consistently draws full house audiences. It is gratifying to look back to our beginning and reflect on the all-volunteer effort that has generated this extraordinary level of success. Our museum operates from Memorial Day weekend through Labor Day weekend and is available year-round for event rentals. We also offer many children's programs and interactive exhibits, including a racing boat simulator in the building of balloon-powered model boats, as well as storytelling and scavenger hunts. The Board of Trustees and all of our many volunteers are proud that the Lawson Center has achieved a place of considerable recognition as a valued asset to the Chautauqua Lake region. Please visit us and learn, enjoy, and meet new people. Check us out on our website for more information, including our hours of operation at www.thelawsoncenter.org.